All right, guys, sorry that I cannot be here today while you guys are taking your quiz, but I know you guys know how to do this. I just want you guys to listen carefully as I'm explaining what you guys need to do on your quiz so that you guys can correctly do this. Mrs. Foth will collect them when you are finished, and she'll just double check to make sure that you have everything answered. Please do not start working on this until after she says you may go ahead and get started. If there are any notes you want to add to this as I'm giving directions, you are more than welcome to. Make sure you do have your name at the top of your paper. So on these first two problems, they actually were really nice to you because they did give you the division problem that you guys are going to do on this. So make sure that you read this. It says Jaden has 4 feet of ribbon to decorate his pockets. He needs 1/3 a foot of ribbon to decorate each pocket. How many pockets will he be able to decorate? So you're going to do your division problem there. A bottle contains 1/3 liter of water. If it's poured equally into 4 cups, how much water will be in each cup? So you're going to go ahead and do that problem. Just use these. On number 3, you're just going to divide these fractions. Remember the wrap that you guys just watched of keep, change, flip. And sorry, I don't know why this is not focusing. There it goes. The next one is this word problem down at the bottom, and you need to make sure that you do 2 different things. You need to make sure that, and I guess, you know what I will do is I'm going to use this pen to do this, is that you want to write that division expression and you want to draw a picture. So I want both of these, okay? And then of course I do want you to solve the problem and tell me what it is, okay? So draw a picture, what's the division expression, and write the answer. So this one's going to be worth 3 points. So Joanna bought 3 mini cakes for a birthday party. She cuts each cake into quarters and plans to serve each guest 1/4 of a cake. How many guests will she be able to serve? So remember 3 different answers that you need to have on that. This one is going to be worth 3 points. Okay, as you turn your paper over, we have another word problem where you're going to do the exact same thing. Division expression, draw a picture, and then write your answer. 3 different things. Miguel has 1/4 a pan of lasagna left in his refrigerator. He wants to cut the lasagna into 3 equal pieces. What fraction of the pan is in each piece? Division expression, draw your picture, and then write your answer. These ones you are going to divide any method, using any method that you prefer. This was something that you guys did on Wednesday with me when you guys watched it on your Nearpod, where you just basically need to make sure that we get rid of those decimals, and you guys know how to get rid of them. Make sure on this one you do circle your answer so I can figure out what answer you are wanting to turn in. Then on the back side, this basically is a review from the one lesson that we did yesterday. And on this one, it says to circle the expressions that are equivalent to the sum. So what I would do is I would solve this and then go through and solve those as well. It does say expressions, and I believe there are 2 that you are going to have to circle. Okay, same thing here is circle the expressions that's equivalent to this as well. And it does say expressions, and I believe there are 2 here as well. I will go back and look at my key. Actually, I'm going to remake my key. And if that is not correct, I will let Mrs. Foth tell you guys, but I am pretty sure that there are 2 answers that you need to circle on each of those. Take your time and really make sure that you know which one you guys are doing. Also remember that 1/3, so when I see 1/3, is also the same as 1 divided by 3. So kind of think about it as that way, that those are equivalent. The next one is you just need to evaluate the expression. That means you just have to solve it. Remember to do your orders of operations, parentheses first, and then do your work. So go ahead and do those 3. Then on number 4, it's pretty simple. And it says you want to match these word forms to which one is going to match this. So on this line, you're going to either write ABC, ABC, or A, B, or C. You're going to use these 3. So make sure that you look to see which ones match. Okay, good luck, take your time, and you may go ahead and get started on your test.